Hey guys, so I don't know how to start this video. Basically, I'm going to be teaching you all how to solve a Rubik's cube. This will be the beginner's method. It's the easiest method, and once you learn this, you can get times of as low as like 1 minute 30 seconds. That's the best I've done using the beginner's method. And I do still use the beginner's method. I do mix it with an advanced method, but I'll be teaching the beginner's method. I'll have another video for the advanced methods. So now before you start solving a Rubik's cube, you need to understand how you refer to one move. So if you have to do so these algorithms, when you write them down, you don't write right up, right down. You don't write it like that. You just write it as R. R means right. Then R apostrophe means right counterclockwise. What it so R means the right side clockwise, and R apostrophe means right side counterclockwise. Same thing goes with left. Left is L. L clockwise, L apostrophe is counterclockwise. This upper is known as U. So same thing, U, U apostrophe. So that is all you need to know to learn the beginner's method, because the D and the B is So basically the D and the B is not there in this method, so you don't need to learn it. So D is down, B is back. That's all I need to explain. So yeah, let's get started. So there will be two algorithms you need to learn for this. So first is going to be known as the right hand algorithm. You will be using this a lot. So it goes R apostrophe, U apostrophe, R, U apostrophe. Shoot, I messed up. R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. Okay? R, U, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. Got it? Practice this move so that you can do it like by instinct and that you don't need to continuously refer. Do it until you can by heart it. Okay, so that's the right hand algorithm done. Now there is another algorithm called left hand algorithm. You need to learn that also. It's simple. L apostrophe, U apostrophe, L, U. L apostrophe, U apostrophe, L, U. So you do that until you can do it quickly and you know it off by heart. So yeah, then we can get to start solving the cube. So the first thing you want to do is, well, naturally shuffle the cube. I'll get back right after I shuffle it. Yeah, I've shuffled the cube. So the first thing you'll want to do is look at the yellow centerpiece. So there's a thing called centerpieces. These are the centerpiece. Every color has a centerpiece. Centerpieces do not move. No matter how hard you try, you're not going to move them. So don't bother trying that. It's not gonna work. So find the yellow centerpiece. Then what you'll want to do is you want to find the 4 white edge pieces. Edge pieces are the pieces that go here, right above, below, and left and right of the centerpiece, and they come in between of the corner pieces. So it's very vital you understand this, because otherwise it's a very difficult time explaining. So I have this one piece already here. Now locate another edge piece. I found this edge piece. So just move it up here. But as you see, this is not going to work. White side has to be facing upwards. So what you're going to do is you're going to move this to the side so that it's over here, and then you just move it up. So that will get it here. Now look for another edge. I found one edge here. So I can not take it up to white, yellow, because if I do it, again we run into the same issue. It's not facing up. So we take it down and get it up. Okay. Now there's just going to be this one last center, edge. Like, I don't actually use these terms because I learned it. So there's going to be this last edge. It's not going to work. Do it like this. You've broken this. So here you're gonna have to use your brain a bit. Okay, so you use your brain. There. So basically what I did was, so it was not matching, right? So you get it down to one side, take that side down, take the color back, take it up and get it down. Now that's the first part done. So you have to make a daisy basic. And then so after you do that, you have to match these pieces. See the color over here? You have to match it to the center. So this is blue. So I take this to blue. Then I get it down to white. Then this is green, right? So you have to take it over to green. Then we rotate it down 180. Red, it's already aligned. It might not happen. You have to rotate the upper edge and do it. But if it's there, just do it. Now this is orange. White cross is done. Now we're going to be aiming for the corners. Got it? The corners. For this you will need left and right hand algorithms. So basically let's assume that this piece, this corner piece, it's a blue and orange white corner piece. So it's blue and orange. So you take this piece over to where it should be. Means that this piece has to be here, right? So you take it above it. And then you do the right. So see, then you hold the cube like this. So if you're going for speed, you should be able to do it in the least number of moves possible. So let's say that the white is facing towards your left side. So you rotate the cube such that this corner, your left hand can touch it. Then you do the left hand algorithm once. That gets the corner there. Now let's assume that the white side is facing up. This is green and orange. Means it belongs here, and the white side is facing up. Doesn't matter, do whichever one you're faster at. I'm faster at right, so I do the right hand algorithm. You have to keep doing it until the piece goes in the correct area. Now I found this is green and red. It belongs here. It's correctly aligned. Hold the cube. Now in this case it's facing towards my right, meaning I rotate the cube such that the corner is touching my right, and then I do right hand algorithm once. Now this corner piece is already here, but it's not oriented correctly. That is something we have to change. So it doesn't matter. So it doesn't really, you're not going to get it done in one move if it's like this. But still, hold the cube like this. If white is facing the left, rotate the cube and do the left hand algorithm. But if it's facing the right, like in this case, do the right hand algorithm. Done. So I'll be making another video on how to solve these edge pieces. By luck this came in, so I'll be mentioning that in another video. So I'll be making a video about that soon. So yeah, I should practice this, and then I'll soon make another video. See ya.